everyone. I've been at a miss, really busy this week, so I wasn't able to get a video made. But today I'm going to show you how to remove some foam here with WD40. They're not a sponsor, I just buy this stuff. And I was trying all kinds of stuff to get this foam off, and it didn't seem to work, so I cut the foam down. It was a lot thicker, but I cut it down, and I'm just going to spray it with WD-40. And then we'll come back in a few minutes and see what happens. Alrighty, it's been over a half a minute. So let's see how this works so far. No, not quite as good as I thought it would be yet. So we'll let it go a little bit longer. Okay, this is another 30 seconds. Yeah, there's a lot in there, but hasn't made it soft yet, so we'll go for a minute. Okay, so this is 2 minutes. Well, it does seem to be working better. I'm going to let it go for another 2 minutes, and that should be what we need. Okay, we're back. It's been 2 minutes. I don't know if any of you noticed this, if you're getting older or not, but it seems like time goes by real fast. I set a 2-minute timer, and it feels like I took 3 steps, and the 2 minutes was up already. Crazy. Okay, so let's try this again. Still not, it didn't get everything. I moved the WD-40 because I thought I was going to be done with it. But let's put a little bit more on here. See how that works. And while that's working its way in, let me get the rest of this off. Like I said, this foam was about 2 inches thick, so I got it down to this size. Maybe maybe by getting that off and putting a little bit more WD-40 on, it'll work on the glue. There was a lady at work that told me about this. I was trying to think of something. I had another project that I was trying to get some foam off of, and it wasn't. I tried acetone and other things, and nothing seemed to be working. And she said, "Oh, did you try WD-40?" And it's like, never thought of it. And it seems to work pretty well. And as you can see, this piece here is already done. I did that months ago, actually. It's taken this long to get back to the project. I was trying to get some other things done unsuccessfully. One of the projects that I really didn't showcase well was I didn't showcase at all, was some overhead cabinets. It's my first time doing those, and well, I think I made a lot of mistakes on it. So it was more of a proof of concept kind of thing. But I got this one cleaned off, and then it sat aside while I was trying to get some of that done. And I'm just picking up on it now about, wow, yeah, it has to be over 6 months. So we'll see how this goes. I'll give it 3 minutes and see how it goes. So see you again in 3 minutes. Hello everyone, I'm back. It's been 3 minutes, and let's see how this, oh yeah. Yeah, probably should have waited 1 more minute. But it does seem to be coming off rather well. the glue and everything came off. Oh, no, it was just my technique. Wasn't pressing in the right place. There we go. Hold on and I'll get a rag. I'll be right back. Alright. In movie time, that was great. I'm right back. Let's see how this cleans up. Glad I did this on paper. Well, I think even with just this, yeah, it'll take me a little while to get all of this off. I'm not really good at going fast on things, and everything seems to mess up whenever I'm recording, but as you can see, there might be a little bit of stickiness there, but as you can see, it cleans up pretty well from having all the glue on it. So until next time, have a good day. Don't let things in the world get you down. I know about that, and as always, try to treat other people the way you want to be treated. This place would be a much better place if it was like that. Okay, have a good week.